I think. So I'm just giving my girl a little test ride. Oh man, I think I gotta learn how to ride a bike again, y'all. It's been a while. And you know how they say, you know, muscle memory. Well, my old ass muscles must got Alzheimer's or something, because they don't seem to be remembering anything. But it damn sure do feel good to be back on Nebula. Feels good. And she seems to be all right. Y'all know I ain't rode since like January 25th. That was the last time I was on the bike, but I swear it feels a little weird. It feels like I have to start over again. But the one thing we have not solved, like I don't even know what would have caused my stator to go, a brand new stator. What caused that to actually, you know, burn out the way that it did? That's the only thing right now I want to figure out. But yeah, she seems to be all right. She seems to be okay at the moment. So, your boy is back. And let me go inside this gas station real quick. I'ma holler back. Alright, y'all. Your boy is back. I'm just taking the route I used to when I first started riding. Taking the route I used to take when I first started riding. Get my muscles and my muscle memory back. I swear, y'all, I feel like, and y'all know when I used to say, if I didn't ride for a few days, it felt weird. A few months definitely feel weird. That was the longest I ever went without riding since I started riding. But your boy is back. I hope. I just hope my girl don't give me no more issues. Knock on wood. I just don't understand what would make a brand new stator, you know, burn out when, you know, they say stators be going out when you got like a lot of accessories and things like that on the bike. And I don't have any accessories. I mean, I do got some LEDs, so, but I don't think that would drain the bike for the stator not to, you know, work good. Yeah, it's Good Friday, so the kids ain't in school. I mean, there's a lot of police out right now. But one thing now, yo, I got to go do, I have to go and get a new tire, a new front tire. It's all coming back to me. It's all coming back to me now. But yeah, like I don't know what was really, you know, like I was saying, man, I bought this stator and I replaced the stator 2 years ago when I replaced the rectifier. And I don't know. They say like overheating can cause the stator to go bad, and I can see that because, you know, being down here in South Florida. But if y'all know me, man, y'all been rocking with me, y'all know I don't really go in like that. You know, my girl stays in the garage. She stays in the garage. She seems to be running all right though. But I had to just go ahead and, you know, I don't know if I'm gonna commute to work today. Man, let me tell you something. I ain't been riding so long, and I didn't know what I was gonna do with my girl that I actually gotta go get insurance now. Even though, yo, in South Florida, or in Florida, you don't even need motorcycle insurance to ride. But I'm gonna go snatch it back on up. I'll let it just, you know, I just didn't pay it for 3 months. And now I just either gonna have to have it reinstated, or I don't know. I wonder if I could just have it reinstated. But anyways, y'all, I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. Now I can, you know, continue the journey. Let's continue this journey. Hey, I'm still on the road to 1,000. I'm at like 870 something. But, you know, I was constantly putting out content and things like that, and I knew I should have been doing it, just keeping, you know, in touch, but your boy been busy. So hopefully now, y'all, I can get out and ride a little bit more. I'm still looking for that leader bike though. I'm still looking for that leader bike. So I'ma holla. Y'all be easy. Y'all stay safe. Stay geared up. Stay prayed up. And remember, y'all, you're never too old to start over and dream again. So your boy is back, y'all. Look at all these leaves. You would think it was fall. I'ma holla. Y'all be easy. Peace.